If you are looking for a diet with 3 delicious high protein meals that will help you burn fat, then look no further. Here is an 1800 calorie diet with over 175 grams of protein. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another diet video. Now, this is for those of you who are trying to lose some weight without losing too much muscle in the process, as it's a high protein diet. Now, the meals in this diet will take some preparing, but I am telling you, they are absolutely delicious. And trust me guys, with meals like these, it won't even feel like you're dieting. So if you are ready to get this video underway, as always, go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel for many more such diet videos, and let's get started. Starting off with meal number 1, which is 1 serving of my overnight apple cinnamon oats along with 2 whole eggs. To make the overnight oats, in a cup or mason jar, add 20 grams of oats, 60 grams of almond milk, I went with the 30 calorie one, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 scoop of whey protein, I went with vanilla, 5 crushed almonds, 10 grams of honey, 5 grams of chia seeds, 100 grams of Greek yogurt, I went with Dannon Light and Fit, and a pinch of salt. Mix well and refrigerate overnight or for a couple of hours, and finally, just before having it, add half of a medium apple along with 10 grams of raisins and enjoy. This, along with 2 whole eggs, is meal number 1. Absolutely delicious, filling, and protein-packed meal. This is a total of 570 calories, of which 56 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 50 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 2, which tastes so freaking good. It is 1 serving of my chicken cutlet. To make it, the first thing is to marinate 500 grams of boneless chicken breast with the following spices for a few hours. Then in a pressure cooker, add about half a cup of water along with the marinated chicken and 200 grams of peeled white potatoes, just like this. Cook it on medium flame for about 3 to 4 whistles. You want to make sure the chicken is well cooked, soft and white in the inside. Transfer into a bowl and start shredding the chicken into small pieces and mashing the potatoes. Then to a pan, add half a tablespoon of oil, give it a few seconds for it to heat up, and then add 1 medium onion along with 1 to 2 green chilies. About 2 minutes in, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and continue sauteing it until the raw smell of the paste fades. Then drop the chicken and the potatoes into the mix, add some salt if needed, followed by some coriander leaves. Next, take 56 grams of plain breadcrumbs, season it with a bit of chili powder, onion and herb seasoning, and a bit of salt. This is totally optional. Feel free to skip this step or season it with the spices of your choice. It's time to get your hands dirty. Take the chicken mix, roll them up into nice, even cutlet-sized patties. Dip them into the egg mixture that contains 1 whole egg and 1 egg white, and finally cover them with the breadcrumbs. Do the same thing for the rest of the mixture, and you should end up with about 10 evenly sized cutlets just like this. And finally, let's bake them. I personally made mine using an air fryer, but you could use an oven too. I set the air fryer at 360 degrees and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. Irrespective of what you use, whether the oven or the air fryer, you want to bake the cutlets until they turn golden brown on both sides. And there you go. Just look at that. Divide this entire recipe into 2 servings, and 1 serving or 5 cutlets is meal number 2. You'll be getting about 51 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fat, and 66 grams of protein, giving you a grand total of 570 calories with this meal. Insanely tasty, and again, super high in protein. Moving on to the final meal of the day, which is 1 serving of my paneer dosa with tomato chutney on the side, followed by a protein shake which contains 1 scoop of whey protein and 1 cup of fat-free milk. To make this, in a bowl, add 25 grams each of the following lentils with some water and set aside to soak for at least 3 to 4 hours. After soaking, drain out the water, and to a blender, add the lentils along with the following ingredients. Add about 3/4 to 1 cup of water to it, blend it up and bring it to a consistency as such. To make the dosa, coat a pan with some cooking spray, take a full scoop of the dosa batter and pour it into the center and spread it out. As it heats up, sprinkle 15 grams of paneer along with a few chopped onions, a bit of red chili powder, and some coriander leaves on the top. And finally, when the dosa is nicely browned at the bottom, fold it with the spatula, let it heat for a few more seconds, and there you go, one paneer dosa is ready. Make the remaining using the rest of the batter with the same set of ingredients, and you should get about 6 paneer dosas. Moving on to the tomato chutney, dry roast 10 grams of urad dal in a pan on medium flame. Along with that, add the following ingredients. Go ahead and roast till the dal turns slightly brown, then add half of a medium onion and continue to saute until the onions turn golden brown. Next, add 2 medium tomatoes and a bit of water and continue to cook it until they become soft. Add half teaspoon of sambar masala along with some salt. Give it a few more stirs until the spices are well blended in. Turn off the heat and set aside to cool. Then in a food processor, add the mixture along with 1/4 cup of water and blend it all up. Keep going until you get a fine paste, and there you go, your delicious tomato chutney is ready. So you will divide this entire recipe into 2 servings, and 1 serving of it will be meal number 3, which is 3 dosas along with half of the tomato chutney, followed by a protein shake. This is a total of about 630 calories, of which 71 grams are carbs, 13 grams are fat, and 62 grams are protein. A nutritious, balanced and filling meal to end your day. Now, combining all the meals together, you are getting a grand total of 1,770 calories, of which 180 grams are carbs, 42 grams are fat, and 177 grams are protein. A fat loss diet with 3 insanely delicious meals throughout the day. Honestly, it cannot get easier than this. You don't have to be eating chicken, broccoli, and rice to lose weight, guys. Don't complicate it. You can have meals just like this, and as long as you're exercising and as long as you are in a calorie deficit, you will lose weight. All my clients have lost it, and so can you. So enjoy your meals, enjoy the journey, and you will be on your way to feeling and looking your best. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead, like it, please do subscribe to the channel, and until next time guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.